Introducing Anubing Artocarpus obatus of the family Moraceae. Anubing is a fast-growing large evergreen tree from the breadfruit family. It is a deciduous tree that reaches a height of 30 meters and has a diameter of approximately 100 centimeters. Leaves are oblong or sub-elliptic, 20 to 30 centimeters long and 6 to 10 centimeters wide, hairy, pointed, or slightly heart-shaped at the base. Petioles are 1 to 2 centimeters long. Anubing is endemic in the Philippines. It is widespread in forests at low to medium altitudes from northern Luzon to Palawan and Mindanao up to an altitude of 750 meters. Its wood is suitable for making furniture, plywood, interior joinery and paneling, crates, and booths. The wood is also found to be termite resistant. In Malaysia, the wood is used to make high quality coffins. The bark of anubing is boiled and used to treat stomach ache. The edible fruit pulp is used as a liver tonic, while the seeds are purgative. This tree produces anubing gum, which is recommended as a base for chewing gum.